Artificial intelligence. It's everywhere. From revolutionizing industries to designing art that blows our minds, AI has redefined what we thought machines could do. By 2025, it's easy to assume AI can do anything. But here's the truth. There are still tasks where even the most advanced AI fails spectacularly. And guess what? Some of these failures might leave you absolutely stunned. Welcome to today's video. 10 shocking things AI still cannot do in 2025. As tech enthusiasts, we love AI, but we're peeling back the layers to reveal its surprising gaps. Stick around, because number 10 might just change the way you see AI forever. There's no denying AI's achievements. Predicting cancer before it forms? Incredible. Generating hyper-realistic art or entire movies? Mind-blowing. Yet, amid the jaw-dropping headlines, we often overlook something critical. AI isn't perfect. Here's the catch. While AI excels in patterns, data processing, and automation, it crashes and burns when faced with uniquely human challenges. Why? Because tasks requiring common sense, emotions, or nuanced judgment reflect complexities AI simply hasn't been able to master. And that's what we're uncovering today. Sure, AI can simulate emotions with scary precision. It knows when to text you a cheery, "Have a great day." But don't be fooled. Beneath its friendly tone, AI doesn't feel anything. Consider this. AI can analyze data about grief or joy, but it will never truly understand what it means to love, to hurt, or to hope. Emotional depth? Still a pipe dream. AI can paint like Picasso, write like Hemingway, even compose music like Beethoven. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the catch. It's not creating, it's pattern matching. AI learns by remixing existing inputs to produce something new. But original ideas? Spontaneous bursts of innovation? Those still belong to humans, who can dream up something that's never existed before. Picture this. An AI is given a simple puzzle: how to fix a leaky faucet with random objects lying around. Still in 2025, AI would struggle to figure it out. While brilliant in structured tasks, it falters in unpredictable, messy, real-world scenarios where human adaptability shines. A toddler could outsmart an AI in assembling IKEA furniture, and no, that's no exaggeration. Here's a problem AI just cannot shake: basic common sense. For instance, imagine telling an AI, "Don't let the toast burn." Chances are, it wouldn't know whether to unplug the toaster, lower the heat, or grab the smoke alarm. Ethical dilemmas remain one of AI's biggest blind spots. Should a self-driving car protect the pedestrians or its passengers in a split-second accident? The fact is, AI sees the world in black and white, cold calculations, not moral judgment. AI's relationship with humor is awkward, to say the least. Sure, it can generate puns or tell knock-knock jokes, but can it deliver wit that genuinely lands? Nope. In 2025, it still can't take a joke or tell a funny one. There's something irreplaceable about connecting with someone who actually understands you. AI-powered chatbots might offer comforting responses or helpful advice, but they lack the ability to feel empathy. When you're upset or overwhelmed, AI might offer programmed platitudes, but it can't truly grasp what you're going through. Can you bring me the thing from the place? A vague, overly human request like this would leave AI thoroughly confused. Why? Because it requires context, interpretation, and the ability to infer meaning. AI doesn't get ambiguity. It thrives on precise instructions. Let's get one thing straight. AI is not self-aware. The moment you start wondering, does it know what it's doing? The answer is a resounding no. It's running lines of code, not pondering life's purpose or its role in the universe. As of 2025, AI hasn't come close to attaining true consciousness, and honestly, that's probably for the best. This is the big one. While AI can iterate, perfect, and improve upon existing ideas, it struggles to innovate in ways that shock or inspire. That aha moment, the sudden flash of brilliance that leads to breakthrough inventions or out-of-the-box solutions, remains exclusively human. AI can assist in the process, but the creative spark? That's still all ours. So why can't AI master these tasks? 3 words: complex human nature. It turns out the very things that make us human, empathy, intuition, morality, are almost impossible to replicate in machines. Beyond that, technical barriers like inadequate computational models and insufficient data make these challenges even harder to solve. And let's not forget, ethical boundaries also play a role. Do we even want morally autonomous machines? Probably not. The fact that AI isn't perfect isn't just interesting, it's important. These gaps remind us that, as advanced as technology gets, there are dimensions of life only humans can truly navigate. And perhaps that's something to celebrate. It keeps us grounded. It forces us to cherish our uniquely human qualities. For tech enthusiasts, this is our reality check. AI is a tool. A wildly impressive, incredibly versatile tool, but still not a replacement for human brilliance. By understanding its limitations, we can better focus on working alongside AI, not trying to become it. Whether you're developing cutting-edge AI or just using it to schedule meetings, understanding what AI can't do gives you a sharper perspective on what it should do. For policymakers, these shortcomings should serve as a guide for creating ethical guardrails. For everyday users, this knowledge ensures we use AI realistically without leaning on it for emotional or moral guidance. AI is powerful. AI is amazing, but AI is not perfect. By 2025, it's clear there are boundaries it may never cross, and that's okay. Because those boundaries hold the key to what makes humans extraordinary. Of course, the future will bring new advancements. Maybe one day, AI will be able to crack jokes that make us laugh so hard we cry. Or maybe, just maybe, AI's limitations exist to teach us something profound about ourselves. Now we want to know, what do you think? Did any of these limitations surprise you? Which one do you think AI will conquer first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. After all, the conversation about AI might just reveal more about us than it does about the machines we create. See you next time.